everybody, welcome back. So today we're making a Swiss roll cake with a slug pattern on top. So this is actually a really cool technique because we're actually decorating the cake with the cake batter and we are creating a pattern within the cake, so you don't need to use buttercream or frosting or anything like that. And it's decorated to look like one of the slugs from Best Fiends. So let's get started. What you're gonna need is some flour, some confectioner sugar, some unsalted butter, egg whites, vanilla extract, and black, red, and burgundy food coloring. Then for the actual cake batter for the roll cake, you're going to need some butter, some large eggs with the yolks and whites separated, some sugar, some flour, a pinch of salt, vanilla extract, and some green food coloring. For the filling, you need some cream cheese, some unsalted butter, some melted white chocolate, confectioner sugar, whipping cream, vanilla extract, and some chopped chocolate bars. So the first step in making this cake is making the actual pattern, so we're kind of working backwards, but the technique is so cool. So first you want to beat the butter with an electric mixer until it's light and fluffy. Add the sugar and beat until well combined. Add the egg whites and vanilla extract and beat until combined. Then add the flour on low speed. Divide the batter into 4 bowls and dye it black, red, and burgundy, leaving the remaining bowl white. Place the batter into piping bags fitted with small round piping tips. Then you want to place an image of the slug and the text on a Swiss roll cake pan and place a sheet of parchment paper on top. And you want to make sure that the image is actually a mirrored image of what you like because it's going to be flipped once the cake is baked. Pipe the colored batter onto the parchment paper, filling in the entire template. Then you can draw some fun patterns onto the remaining space. Transfer the pan to the freezer and freeze for 30 minutes. And next we are going to make the actual cake batter. So what you want to do is beat the 6 egg whites and salt with an electric mixer until soft peaks form. Add half the sugar and beat until stiff, glossy peaks are formed. In a separate bowl, beat the egg yolks and remaining sugar with an electric mixer until it's pale and doubled in volume. Gradually add the vanilla extract and butter and mix until well combined. Add the flour to the batter in 2 additions, alternating with the egg whites. Then dye the batter green and gently fold to combine. Pour the batter into the Swiss roll cake pan on top of the pattern and gently smooth the surface. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 13 to 15 minutes or until the edges are golden. Dust a large sheet of wax paper with some confectioner sugar. As soon as the cake comes out of the oven, invert it onto the wax paper. Peel off the top layer of parchment paper, place another layer of wax paper on top, then invert again so that the pattern side is facing down. Remove the wax paper and starting at one long end, gently roll the cake up. Then wrap this in a kitchen towel and cool completely. So to make the filling, beat the cream cheese and butter with an electric mixer until it's pale and fluffy. Add the confectioner sugar and cream and beat until well combined. Then add the white chocolate and vanilla extract and mix well. Then fold the chocolate bar pieces into the mixture. To assemble the cake, gently unroll the cake and peel off the wax paper. Spread the filling onto the surface and roll the cake back up again. Wrap the cake in plastic wrap and chill it in the fridge for 4 hours or up to overnight. Then just slice it up and you are done! So thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. If you have any requests for other future videos, make sure to leave your requests in the comment section down below. And if you'd like to see some more Best Fiends videos, make sure to subscribe to the Best Fiends YouTube channel, which is this channel. If you'd like to see some other cooking videos, head on over to youtube.com/pankobunny, which is my personal YouTube channel, and I have a ton of recipes there waiting for you. And I'm sure that you guys saw these little goodies in the background, which I absolutely love. If you'd like some for yourself, check out the description box because the links to get some for yourself will be right down there. So thank you all so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye!